Today we are going to show how to find your friend Instagram ID by using your friend phone number. Okay, let's go to the video. First open the Instagram application and click on the profile option. Then click on the three lines. Then click on the account center. Then click on the your information and permission option. Then click on the upload contact option. Then click on your Instagram ID and enable connect contact option and allow permission in setting. Now Instagram will access your contact. Then click on the profile option. Then click on the plus option. You can easily find your friend Instagram ID in this section and send the friend request. And don't forget to follow my channel.